I have my tea and a little bit of insomnia, so we're gonna scrapbook. Hello! The hair might be doing some crazy things, but that's okay. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalen, if you don't already know. Today, we're gonna be scrapbooking together. One of my favorite crafty things to do. This is honestly way too hot for me to sip. For reference, we are kind of backtracking in our scrapbook journey. Me and my fiance have been together. We're in our 5th year. I didn't start scrapbooking until this past year. I'm catching up on 4 years worth of trips and vacations and good times. I think I'm still in like 2021, 2022 of our scrapbooking. But I need to get it moving because we are engaged and we have a baby on the way. And I just feel like I really want to start scrapbooking current time. There's a lot going on and I'm really excited, but I need to backtrack and get that done first because I can't go out of order. That's what we're doing today. We're hopping back into it. I actually have no idea where I am in this series. I don't know what's next for the scrapbook page. I would like to do more than one page tonight. I take a lot of time on one, you'll see why. But I have my tea and we're gonna get the ball rolling. I do feel like I need a candle. Okay, so I spent the last few minutes kind of sorting out what I'm gonna do. Also watching Harry Potter at the same time. So I am gonna do this one. This should be really fast and quick. It is just a single Magic Kingdom like day trip. This is a major trip. This is North Carolina. It was me, Gonzalo, and his little brother, and we went to North Carolina. We took a road trip and we were there for quite a while in a cabin and did lots and lots of adventuring and hikes. These are all different days, but it'll definitely be, I think, more than 2 pages, maybe 4. So this, we are going to hopefully get all this done today. But this is first. So if you've seen my other scrap with me videos, you know my style of scrapbooking. But I basically have my white sheet of paper. It is like thick paper, like cardstock. I'm very visual, if you know, you know. What I like to do is lay out exactly kind of how my page is going to look before gluing it down. And then I snap a picture with my iPad or something and then reference that photo and then go back and glue everything down. So it does take a little longer because I'm not sporadic with it. I am not capable of doing that. This is what we have going on so far. It is pretty minimal. I call these my toppings. So I have like the washi tape and then these kind of washi like stickers and then these words fill in these harsh edges and like blank spots, and then I always write something on each page, which I'll probably do there. But now we're gonna snap a picture and glue it down. got our basic layout glued down. Now I'm gonna go over it with my toppings, stickers, and all those like extra little scraps, and kind of fill in whatever I feel like needs to be softened up, if that makes any sense. I don't like the hard edges. My camera battery is full because of course it is. It's not my battery. The card is full. So I'm currently downloading the videos onto my laptop. But I am happy with how she came out. I look a little crazy. We're not gonna talk about it. I always get a little nervous doing them, and then I'm so happy with the outcome. I think these are just great things to have. So I'll use this side too. No, I won't. I'm totally lying to you, actually. I'll do another one, and then I put them into the slots back to back. Put this one in here. The next one, boom, and there it is. And I do feel like a lot of people who scrapbook don't have like the sleeve covers. Even like my childhood scrapbooks don't have that. Like it's just a scrapbook, right? But I really like having the sleeves because I feel like it protects the images more, especially because I have polarizing here sometimes. And it's kind of like, I don't want to say 3D, but these are bulky, you know, like the cards and the pennies and thick things like that. So I don't have to worry about them falling off or like getting damaged. I like that they're protected in their little cases. Maybe it's OCD, whatever. That is my little journal, my little thing, my little scrapbook. The next pages will definitely be this massive North Carolina trip, which I am really excited to make. I lost my energy. Today was just one page, and that's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.